First things first, prepare the pumpkin. Cut off the stem end. Once you've removed the stem, cut the pumpkin in half lengthwise. Remove the seeds with a spoon. Place the cut side down in a microwave-safe dish. Add about an inch of water. Microwave on high for 15 to 18 minutes or until very tender. When cool enough to handle, scoop out the pumpkin pulp and mash it. Set aside 1 3/4 cup for this recipe. Any extra pumpkin that you have can be used for another recipe. Let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. When cracking eggs for a recipe, crack them into a separate bowl. That way, if you have any eggshells to get in there, they're not already incorporated into the rest of the batter or mix that you're making. In a large bowl, combine 1 3/4 cup of mashed pumpkin, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice mix, and just like Mom always said, a teaspoon of vanilla for flavor. Beat the mixture until smooth. Gradually add in 1 cup of milk. Pour filling into crust. Feel free to use whichever pie crust you like. I used the frozen deep dish pie crust in a pan. Look for them in your grocer's freezer section. You can also use the rollout kind in your own pie plate. Bake at 425 for 15 minutes. Reduce heat to 350. Bake for 40 to 50 minutes or until pie is set. Let's make whipped cream. Add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream to a bowl. Use a mixer or a whisk to whip the cream until fluffy. Gradually add a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar to taste. Continue to mix the cream until thick and fluffy. Don't go too long or you'll make butter. Time to check on the pies. Now for finishing touches. Slice a piece of pie and put it on a pretty plate. Add a dollop of your fresh whipped cream, a light dusting of powdered sugar, and a little something green because it's pretty.
This is so good. Delicious.